Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be making this creamy and delicious yogurt. Now, for those of you asking how yogurt is made, recipe, how to do this, how to do that, watch this video to the very end because I'll show you how exactly you can make and achieve a creamy textured yogurt just like this. Now, first you need milk powder, okay? And then make sure what you're using is full cream milk. Any milk of your choice can go. You can use measured milk, you can use packaged milk, any one of your choice. Now what I have in here is 3 cups of milk. I'll go ahead and add room temperature water to this. Now you want to pay attention to this, watch this till the very end because you're going to learn a lot from here. Now if you watch this very well, you may not need to ask any question in the comment section. The things you'll be dropping for me in the comment section will be different from asking questions on how to make it or what did you use, what did you not use. Just watch, okay, and pay attention. I'll tell you everything. So first of all, I am using room temperature water to dissolve my yogurt. And the reason why I'm using room temperature water to dissolve it is because if you use room temperature water to dissolve it first, you won't have so much lumps in your yogurt. When you have too much lumps, you end up wasting your milk, and that's not what we want. Okay, so I'll go ahead and use my spatula to dissolve everything, make sure that everything dissolves properly. So I added 2 cups of room temperature water to dissolve it. Then I'm going to add very hot water, like boiled water. Okay, so this is my boiled water. I'm going to measure out and then add to my milk. Now I actually added 3 cups of my boiled water. You can use 6 cups of water to 3 cups of milk. You can use 5 cups, like now I used 5 cups of water to 3 cups of milk. You can use 6 cups of water to 3 cups of milk. And you can also use 7 cups of water to 3 cups of milk. Now after mixing everything, I allow it to cool a little bit. At this point that I'm sieving, it is warm. Okay, so I just have to sieve at this point, and I actually did the finger test before sieving. So you want to do your finger test. So you want to do your finger test before sieving. So at this point I'm going to do it again so you see. So you dip your hand in and count up to about 10 seconds, like 10, count 1 to 10. If it's not burning, that means it is ready. So the next thing I would do is to add my culture to this. I'm using Yogurt Original for this. Okay, you can use any culture, but for this recipe, this is what I'm using. So I'll go ahead and just put it in my cup. And then I'm going to add some of the warm milk to it, dissolve it properly before adding into the rest of the milk. Dissolve it properly, okay, so that it will distribute evenly. Dissolve it properly before adding it into the rest of the milk. Making yogurt is easy, okay? Yeah, making yogurt is easy. Like, as a matter of fact, you can actually go through my channel. I have playlists for yogurts, like only yogurt, like different yogurt videos. If you watch all of my yogurt videos, there is no way you're not going to learn how to make yogurt. That is why sometimes I feel somehow when you guys come under some of my videos, say you did not drop recipe or you did not say how to do it, you're just doing it without measurement. But I'm showing everything in the video. And again, there are videos where I even wrote recipe, like I wrote everything on the screen, and there are some that I even wrote recipes in the description box. So at this point in time, anybody following me, anybody who has subscribed to this channel should already know how to make yogurt. The only thing should only be how to preserve your yogurt, which is something that you have to pay for when you come to my DM. Okay, but normally yogurt can actually last up to more than 1 week if you keep it in your refrigerator. At this point, I'm going to cover my yogurt because I'm trying to retain this temperature. If you're using a thermometer, you should aim at 43 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees. Okay, if you're not using a thermometer, remember it has to be warm. Now this particular time, this season, if you're in Nigeria, this time is actually very hot, so you want to make sure that your own yogurt is hot. Your yogurt is warm and not hot, otherwise it will not ferment. Also, make sure that your starter, the starter you're using, has not expired, because some persons make the mistake of using expired starter without knowing. So I wrap it this way and I'm going to keep it for about 8 to 10 hours. Okay, you can keep it 8 hours, you can keep it 10 hours. Now, because now the season is like very, very hot, you don't need to keep it more than 10 hours. It's actually hot. Okay, you can keep it if you want, but I think 10 hours is okay. So at this point, I'm going to open it, like unveil my yogurt, and this is what I have. Look how thick. Look how thick that looks. So I'm just going to transfer my yogurt into my bowl. Okay, I'll transfer it in here. Look at how thick my yogurt is. Like, this is not Greek yogurt, and it is this thick. You guys follow my recipe, follow no road. Okay, I'm just going to transfer everything in here and then I'll start whisking. Now, is it better you whisk? You can use a hand mixer, you can use this normal whisk that I will use in this video. It's important you do is that you mix the yogurt very well, remove lumps and all that. Okay, now this yogurt ended up being so thick and creamy. Now when you refrigerate this particular yogurt, when you refrigerate it, it's going to be something so thick and creamy. So you can actually refrigerate it if you want. In fact, it is necessary that you refrigerate it, but it is not advisable that you freeze your yogurt. Okay, do not freeze it. You don't need to freeze it. Now, something else about yogurt is, at this point you can actually add water to it. Add water to it to loosen it a little bit if you don't like it too thick, or if you're selling it and you're looking for something that will not be too thick, then go ahead and add water to it. Okay, it won't go bad. So I'm just going to look at what I have. Look how creamy my yogurt looks. Very creamy. By the time I put it in the fridge, it's going to come out like almost like Greek yogurt. So I'm just going to transfer this in here and store in my refrigerator. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Always come back to watch more videos. If there's something else you want me to film about, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.